This is the next worked example using subgoal labels to evaluate an expression in the Java programming language. In this worked example, we will be looking at more complicated operator precedence. The problem statement. Assuming the following given declarations, evaluate this statement. If it is invalid, give the reason. If it is valid, what is the value assigned to the variable, and note any possible side effects. The statement is gamma is assigned the value of delta divided by, open parentheses, alpha plus beta, close parentheses, mod alpha. Subgoal 1. Determine the resultant data type of the expression. Looking at the right-hand side of the assignment statement, we see that the variable delta is declared as an integer. Alpha and beta are both declared as integers. So we have all integers on the right-hand side. An int divided by an int plus an int, mod int, results in an integer. The data type of the right-hand side expression is integer. Subgoal 2 is not used in this example. Subgoal 3 is to then solve the arithmetic expression. Putting in the values, delta has a value of 3, alpha has a value of 2, and beta has a value of 1. Substituting in those values, we have 3 divided by the quantity 2 plus 1, mod 2. By order of operations, the parentheses are evaluated first. 2 plus 1 is 3. This results in 3 divided by 3 mod 2. Remember that division and modulus have the same precedence, so they are then evaluated left to right. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Mod 2 equals 1. Remember that mod gives you the remainder. So if I have 1 apple and I take away all groups of 2 apples, how many apples do I have remaining? Only 1. Subgoal 4 says now we have to check to see if the thing on the left-hand side of the assignment statement is a variable and whether or not we can copy the value from the right-hand side to the data type on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side of our assignment statement, we have gamma, which is declared to be an integer. We already determined that the data type of the right-hand side was an integer. An integer can be assigned to an int. So the value 1 is then copied into gamma. Subgoal 5 is not used in this example. So the answer to the problem statement would be that the statement is valid and that the value 1 is assigned to the variable gamma. That is the end of this worked example.